Ahoy there! I'm David from Curious to Travel for all things Cunard. For a concise yet informative tour of the Britannia Club Stateroom on Queen Victoria, stick around. First of all, let's get our bearings. We're on deck 7, midships, port side, in stateroom 7054. Let's take a look. We can hear Cunard's safety message playing automatically on the large flat screen TV. It's a welcome sound for us, marking the start of our voyage. So this was filmed in April during our 7-night trip to Spain and Portugal. You can find the trip report link in the description. There's the complimentary bottle of sparkling wine for Britannia Club. Cunard's traditional style is evident, with their signature palette of rich reds, golds, blues and teak tones. And the lamps and landscape and classical artworks evoke the charm of a country home. That bed was very comfortable. Fun fact, do you know that Cunard has its own mattress made by Sealy, and it's called the Sealy Cunard mattress, and you can even buy it. There's a small desk with tea and coffee facilities, including an Ely coffee maker. Note the limited power, just one UK and one US socket and no USB ports. Below there's a fridge with chargeable minibar items. We're at the Ocean Cruise Terminal in Southampton, and I quite like the busy sounds of the docks. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. See how the balconies are deeper than on Queen Anne, allowing room for a footstool. On Queen Victoria, Britannia Club staterooms are identical in appearance and size to Britannia balcony staterooms, even though they can cost up to twice as much. They are situated in the best locations on the ship. You do get free bottled water, an Ely coffee machine with pods, posher biscuits and fluffier robes. But the main difference is that you get your own dedicated table in the Britannia Club restaurant without set dining times. The wardrobes provided enough space for us, and although it's hard to make out, that's a full-length mirror on the inside of one of the doors. The bathroom was adequate. The shower worked fine, but the curtain clings and doesn't stop the floor getting wet. Pleasantly luxurious Penhaligon's toiletries are provided for all passengers, no matter what the class, but the Bakelite's look and colour of the bathroom is quite off-putting. Overall, the stateroom was comfortable, and the proper nightly turn-down service was very welcome. The limited power outlets were a pain, and the room is starting to feel a bit tired. Time for some dry dock TLC, I think. I hope you found this stateroom tour useful, and if you did, please consider throwing me a like and subscribing for more content about Cunard coming very soon. I'm David from Curious to Travel. Stay curious.